Hello, this is Money Online. Welcome to our video regarding Meetup.com and how you can use it to generate more cash than you ever have before. So let's go right to it. Let's go to Meetup.com. First of all, what is Meetup? Let's look up Google. Google is your friend. Meetup is a service used to organize online groups that host in-person events for people with similar interests. That's the key point. That's why you need to use Meetup in your locale so that you can connect with prospective clients with whether you are selling widgets or you are a software engineer or you're a barber. If you can connect with like-minded individuals and have help connecting with them. In other words, Meetup does all the work for you. Meetup will not only give you the platform to announce an event that you can make money out of, by the way, because you can sell dues and you can sell per ticket to each individual or groups that come. And here's the best part, Meetup will help you not only manage it, announce it, but also will help you find these clients. This is the best tool for all of you who have something that you want to sell to someone face to face. And even if you only use it once to collect emails, think about that and build your own marketing list of people that are proven to want what you have. And it's all for under $20 a month. There is nowhere else on the web that you can advertise to targeted market to your targeted customer, your ideal client, than Meetup for $20 or less. Let's check it out. So again, it's a place where you can join a local group to meet people, try something new, or do more of what you love. But here's the thing, as a marketer, as a business person, you can have Meetup help you find your perfect customer. And here's the best thing, you can start your own group. Okay? Now, here are the benefits of starting your group. Again, nowhere else for under $20 can you get a service with millions of people in its database sorted by interests that can be promoted to directly, because that's what Meetup will do. They will help you connect with people that are interested in what you have to sell, or you have to teach, or you have to offer, right? So people start Meetup groups to make new friends, pursue passions, and turn side hustles into careers, right? And then here's the great thing. Again, they help you, Meetup.com helps you find your members. They'll help you find interested members that want what you have, and you can approve them to be sure they'll be a good fit for your community. You can schedule events in minutes. I'm telling you, their organizer tools are super easy, and you can help it to schedule and manage your events. You can decide where and how often your group meets, whether it's one time or multiple times. It's great. It's also a good way to find out if there is local interest for something you might want to start. See? Really cool. And you don't have to go it alone. You can have other people host your events. You can recruit leadership teams to help you host events and manage your groups. What would you like your group to do? It's a great way to figure out if your idea, if your business idea has legs and if there's an interest for it, right? So you can hang out with them for free. You can charge nothing for your event, especially if you already have a location that you can use, whether it be the community room in your building if you live in a large building in an urban center, or you can go to a YMCA and inquire how much to rent a room there, or your own business, whatever it is, you can have people come to it. It's a great way to advertise, right? And everybody likes something for free. And of course, you can teach something, right? Teach a class, host a workshop, or invite invite guest speakers to share their expertise with the group, and you collect the group's email address, you collect their contact information, their Instagram, their LinkedIn, whatever it is that you need from them. These are people that are handpicked by Meetup.com that have proven an interest in what you have to sell. No better way to do it. Now, here's the best part. Getting started is super easy, and Meetup.com will help you from start to finish. The first thing you have to do is actually create a group. Decide what the group is about, who should join, and what you'll do at your event, right? Second thing is review and submit through Meetup.com. Your group will be reviewed and shared with members who have a similar interest. Again, similar targeted audience. The third step is to use Meetup's organizer tools to schedule your events and manage your attendee list. It couldn't get any easier. Now, they have here on their page some inspiration, and it's all over the world, okay? So if you're not in the United States, or if you're in the United States, it doesn't matter. You can choose your location. I even have a friend who wanted to travel to Paris, France, and held a meetup group over there. And they even helped Meetup.com helped find people, team leaders in the location to help set it up. So when my friend went, it was all set up. It was beautiful. I'm telling you, you have to take advantage of this tool that I feel isn't really talked about enough, right? So here we have, for example, on their main page, an arts group, and it's a theater goers club in Canada. There's a health and wellness group, yoga challenge. It has 9,000 people in this group. Talk about a lively group that literally eats up whatever you have to sell to them, or whatever you want to teach, or whatever you want. You could be a nonprofit organization, or of course a for-profit one as well. There's language and culture groups, tech groups, everywhere in the world. Really, really, really simple. Now, the support from Meetup.com is excellent, right? There's an organizer guide that will help you learn how to build a successful community. It'll give you ideas for your first meetup groups. It'll help you find the right people. It will, through articles, help you avoid the common mistakes hosts make. And there's so much more. Check it out. You can subscribe to find people who share your interests and market to them, network among them, or just make friends, new friends that share your interests. It starts at about $16.49 per month, and you can start up to 3 local groups with unlimited members. You can assign co-organizers to help you host the events. You get support from the Meetup.com community experts 7 days a week. You schedule events and manage your attendees lists in your pajamas. And here's how you monetize. You charge ticket fees or dues to help cover your costs. And signing up is super easy. Starting a group is as easy as clicking the red button and filling out the information that's super easy step by step with your email and your name, or you can use your Facebook login, or you can use your Google login. That's all for today. Please don't miss out on a Meetup.com opportunity to start your own groups that you can use to test out ideas for services and products. You can teach a class, offer a workshop, you can hang out and make new friends, you can collect emails and contact and network with people all over the world that share your interests and help put more money in your pocket. This is Money Online. Please give this video a thumbs up, and always, always, always make more money. Subscribe. Thank you.